Okay. So now we have two words which are masquerading as three words which are masquerading as two words. Uh, and so one is left. One is left, huh? So let's take a word from one.
And
One
third
less.
word, Nitish.
Yeah.
Turn. These are the two. What is
Hello. Yeah. Guys, these are your random words. This is all.
Can I, so can I ask one more question? Sorry for coming in so late.
All right.
Uh, so, uh, so you're saying that people can narrate by turn, right? So one by one. So I mean,
Yeah.
does it not give an advantage to the people who are going to narrate later on? Maybe they'll get more time to form their stories. Or they could get
I, gue-
inspiration from what.
I guess answer to the question is uh, uh, we hope people follow rules when nobody is watching. Uh, so that's the
No.
element of trust. And
No.
secondly, if we need to do that, in case we need to do that, what everybody can do is when the time is off, the time gets over, just take a screenshot of whatever you have done within the same at the same time and share it with Anjali on WhatsApp. I hope that addresses the issue so that we know that this is the version till where the person has written and there's no further addition or modification.
Okay. Yes, that works.
Sound.
That works.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was
that's
fun.
good.
So
Thank you, sir.
Anjali, for everybody's uh, convenience, can you put your mobile number in the message board?
Yes, sir.
Anjali, are you
Okay.
using your laptop or are you using your phone?
The laptop.
Then everybody can just mail it to Anjali, no?
Yes.
If somebody was handwriting it,
Anjali,
then
I'm going to ask
a
you
WhatsApp
to
is an option.
share stories.
Anjali, you can write your email
No,
ID
I have
also.
Yes,
a
sir.
question. So here's my thing. Want email so that nobody changes when the other people are reading it. Is that it?
Sudha, we lost you in between.
I mean, you are suggesting once you say begin and then you say stop,
Yeah.
right after that they have to email it, right?
Email or WhatsApp, whichever is convenient to them, so that we know that the final version is not changed after submission.
All right, great idea. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. So, guys,
I
these
must
are your
say
random words.
that was Anjali pretty fast to convert my three words into this graphic. Very good job.
She is working on the laptop, right?
Yep.
So Anjali, tell us when the
Yeah, yes,
clock
sir. I
starts
will.
ticking.
Yes, sir. I will. So, guys, these are your random words. This is also displayed on your on my screen. Secret letter, oneness turn. Wish you all the best. You have 15 minutes to complete your story.
That's a lot of
You
words.
all can. Sorry,
Those are a lot of words. Only
I mean three random words,
okay.
and we will
So
get.
that
So the time starts at 4:20. The clock stops at 4:35. No email after or WhatsApp after 4:36 will be accepted. 4:36 should
Just give
not
me
be on the
some
clock.
Anjali, what you can do is 2 minutes before the closure, maybe you can put 2 minutes to go, and or have you started the clock?
No, I haven't started. I will start. I'm just about to.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You have given some additional time now.
Sorry, sir.
Start
Sir,
now.
since they would be participating in the story, I have a quiz for the audience as well. So, for the participants, my clock is switched on, and I get back to my audience, and I have a quiz for you guys. So my first question is, what is the name of the blind character in 1964 Dosti? Mohan, Debu, Ramu, Shamu, or Ramesh?
Mohan.
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Okay, yeah.
What
In
are the
which year?
prizes? What are the prizes? I want to know. That's how, if there is
So
anything
we'll
that.
give you chocolates.
Okay. Virtual.
Number of chocolates. Not virtual.
But,
We'll try and
but
arrange
you
chocolates.
open your purse strings. You're the one who's going to give us the gifts.
Alright. In which year did Amitabh Bachchan debut in Hindi cinema? 1960, 65, 72, or 68?
72.
Wrong. So the ma'am is right. 1972.
Uh,
Yay!
uh, oh, that's the second one.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, that's the second one.
Anjali, just a small suggestion. If we
Yes,
can
sir.
ask the respondent to write the answer in the message box so that we know who's the first one to respond. In case of a tie. In case of a tie.
Okay, sir.
I think it will be
I
fair.
responded both times.
All right. Yes, sir. That is fair enough. So, Ashutosh, keep on tallying it because I would be going through the quiz and you can just let me know that you received the answer. Which is the first Hindi movie to receive the national award? Kabuli Wala, Anuradha, Mirza Ghalib, or Satya?
Kabuli wala.
Yes,
Mirza
that's the
Ghalib.
right answer. No, that's the wrong answer. Sorry.
Mirza Ghalib it is.
Yeah, Mirza Ghalib. That's the right answer.
But the message has to come in the message box.
Right.
Okay. From where does propose to Basanti in Sholay? From the top of the roof, from the top of the ladder, or from the head, or from the water tank, or from the top of the tree? Yes.
Anjali
From the
can't
top
see, yeah.
of the water tank.
Water
That's the right answer.
tank. Me.
Yes.
What is the right answer?
For which of these films did Anil Kapoor shave off his moustache? तेजाब, Mr. India, झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, लम्हे, घरवाली बाहर वाली. Yeah, Nitish Pandey has given the right answer. It is Lamhe.
No, before
Others,
Nitish Pandey,
there are
somebody else
others.
wrote.
Yeah, others have also given right answer. Anjali, you need to check in the inbox who's the first one to choose the right answer.
Lalit Singh,
Nitish is definitely correct.
Rakesh Yadav, Lalit Singh, they wrote before Nitish.
Okay, एक minute. Let me see the timer as
So
well.
No, listen, if multiple people have given the correct answer, then you have to look at the seniority, no?
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
देखो,
So what we will do, we will divide the chocolate in the equal.
Yeah, there can be
Okay,
other
so-
rules. Brajesh का नाम सबसे लंबा है, so he can be the winner. सबसे लंबा नाम वाला will win.
Ashutosh, just let me know when you get the
Yeah.
right answer first. All right, just tell me, unmute it and let me know.
Yeah.
Which of these actors had never appeared in television advertisement until the year of 20? Govinda, Hrithik Roshan, Sanjay Dutt, Shah Rukh Khan, or Anil Kapoor?
E.
Nitish sir, first answer this question.
All right, thank you. Moving on to the next question. Which of these films?
What's the
Who
correct
won?
answer?
Announce
What is the
winner
correct
first.
answer?
The correct answer is Anil Kapoor.
Yeah, I also got it right.
Which of these films was Ashutosh Govarkar directorial debut? Lagan,
Govarkar.
Swadesh, Pehla Nasha, or Jung?
Swadesh B.
No, ma'am. Wrong
I
answer.
don't even know if he made it. So, wrong answer.
Anybody?
Pehla
Mithali
Nasha.
correct.
Yeah, that's Pehla Nasha.
Mithali Garg is correct.
Yeah,
Before
this
Akshay
is getting
Kumar,
tough. Yeah, writing. It's very tough. I can only speak. Yeah,
before Akshay Kumar became an actor,
Prabhat.
Yeah.
This writing business doesn't work, yeah. Fastest finger first and fastest speaker first.
It worked. Everybody is.
okay, before Akshay Kumar became an actor,
He worked
there
as
you
a
have your
painter.
advantage.
yes, that's the
Yeah.
right answer. Subhash Ghai first film
See,
as a director was
But many people answered this one prior to.
Padma, Kalicharan, Vidata, Hero, or Pradesh.
काली चरण
Right,
कितने
ma'am.
सारे जीत गए यार मेरे को कितने सारे चॉकलेट्स खिलाओगे तुम लोग
Tabu's real name
We are very
is
worried about your health. You're going to get to.
तुम फातिमा तुम फातिमा
Let me at least complete. Okay, yes, that's the right answer. Tabassum Fatima Hasmi. Nominated in the Best Foreign Film category at the Oscar Mother.
Okay.
Casablanca, Gone with the Wind, Dragon, Knights of the Cabiria.
No, can you repeat the question? It seemed weird. At the Oscars, mother.
Nominated in the Best
This is out
Film
of syllabus.
category. Okay.
This is out of syllabus.
What is this? What do you mean at the Oscars, mother?
It's
It is a
Oscars
foreign
award.
film.
Am I correct?
What is mother? In
Oscar
the Oscars,
mother.
mother. What is Oscars mother?
I'm not sure. It was just written as in the Google. I copied it from there. Okay, I'll move on to the next question.
Oscars. The correct
Yes,
answer
please.
here.
Knights of the Caribbean. So now, moving on to the next question, which was the first film in which Amitabh Bachchan and Jai Bachchan worked together?
Vijay sir already answered this question.
Goody, A.
Yes, that's the right answer.
Before you read the question, everybody answered your question, Anjali.
Okay, the next questions come. Aishwarya Rai was crowned Miss World in which year? 1993, 94, 95, or 96?
93. She's old.
No,
No.
Ageist.
it is
93 was the Sushmita Sen and 94 was Aishwarya, I guess.
yeah. Prabhat sir is right. He won first chocolate.
क्या
No,
मतलब?
Anshul already answered this question on the chat.
Aishwarya came as the same time
Okay.
as Sushmita Sen, yaar. She
Lata
did not
Mangeshkar.
come at the same time. She lost.
Okay, I know because she, I think, slipped on the ramp and that's why Sushmita got the prize. Okay, just coming back, Anjali, just a small suggestion. In the
Yes, sir.
PPT you make the next time, please ensure that the question comes first uh, and the answers comes when you press the button down and it shows the options, so that it gives
Okay.
people time to read the question, because right now the entire slide is coming in.
Sure, sir. I will do that next time. Lata Mangeshkar made her debut in Hindi playback singing with the following: Andaz, Diwar, Barsat, Aapki Seva Mein.
Rakesh sir
Anybody?
answered as D.
Yes, that's the right answer.
Right.
उनके
So the
3
next
मिनट
question
हो गए।
is fill in the blank. I can talk English. I can walk English. I can dash English.
I can sleep English.
Laugh. Laugh.
Yes, that's the right answer.
English.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
I can
Yes, sir.
talk English. Talk sleep English.
So the next question is, who is Gabbar talking to?
Samba.
Anjali, you
Who
got
is Gabbar
the
talking to? So there was too much disturbance, that is why I got mixed up. कि कितने आदमी थे? It is Kalia. Now the next question is it so simple to be happy, but it is so difficult to be simple? Name the actor who said this dialogue in a popular Rishikesh Mukherjee's film. Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmender, Anmol Palekar, Rajesh Khanna.
ये अमिताभ बच्चन ही होगा। धर्मेंद्र तो अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं पाता।
अमोल पालेकर।
No, ma'am.
Rajesh Khanna.
Yes,
Rajesh
that's the right
Palekar.
answer.
Rajesh Khanna in Anand.
Yes.
अरे वाह।
Yes.
Good.
2 points for
Gone.
2 points for that.
Okay.
कौन बोला?
Yes, sir. किसी को इतना मत मारो कि दर्द ही खत्म हो जाए was said by which actress in a Bollywood film? Deepika Padukone, Sonakshi Sinha, Priyanka Chopra और करीना कपूर खान.
नहीं। सोनाक्षी,
No, ma'am.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. मैं भाई।
Fill in the blanks. 22 तक पढ़ाई, 25 पे नौकरी, 26 पे डैश.
B. Chokri.
छोकरी।
Chokri. Chokri.
Yes, that's the right answer. So for our participants, we have 2 minutes left.
So
Please
read
wind
this
up.
first. This is which movie?
ये जवानी है दीवानी।
Yes. ये जवानी
Yes,
दीवानी.
sir.
रणबीर कपूर। रणबीर कपूर।
Okay. And the last but
I
not the
don't see
least
movies with
answer
such names.
we have. दिल चाहता है give us some icon dialogue like या तो दोस्ती गहरी है या तो ये फोटो 3D है. Which character in the
How's the-
film
What is the time?
said this? 1 minute left.
सिद्धार्थ।
So
Siddharth.
no.
आकाश।
Yeah.
सिद्धार्थ बोलता है.
Siddharth, yeah. Siddharth. Okay, guys, I finished off my quiz. Now going back to our participants, let us see what are they up to.
असम।
Yes, ma'am. So we have like just few seconds left. I hope you like the quiz, and thank you guys for being such a nice audience.
What is next now, Anjali?
So we will
चॉकलेट फ्री
have
के वाली चॉकलेट
to
किसे मिलेगी?
just 1 minute more. 24,
What is
23. So now I would request Mr. Prabhat sir to choose which color he will choose first. Second, third, fourth, fifth out of these colors, which is pink, white, purple, blue, and yellow.
Okay, before I do that, I guess you need to announce that the time is up.
Okay, guys, the time is up. So getting back to our participants, I hope everybody has finished. Do send your soft copy to my mail or WhatsApp, please.
Everybody can confirm immediately once they do it.
So I've sent it from my end. A
So I
WhatsApp to
believe,
Anjali.
the writer should not narrate the story. I think the judges should read the story without having the author's name there, and so that their stories are judged without having any stereotype, uh, any kind of preconceived notions and expectations.
Any biases? Any biases?
Yeah, any biases or prejudices.
So I have received Yashashri.
Practices.
Anjali, I have also mailed you,
Okay, all right,
but I have mailed you 2 versions. So please refer to the latest version.
all right, I will. Yeah. Shipra, Kamal, and Sahil.
I have also sent.
On my mail or WhatsApp. Yeah. So everybody has mailed me.
And I already.
So now I would request Prabhat sir to choose the color from these colors. Like these are pink, white, purple, blue, and yellow. So which one he will choose first?
What is the purpose of these colors? Jimmy, can you explain?
So the purpose would be, I've already given these colors to the participant. If you choose blue, then Sahil would be the first one to narrate the story. So accordingly, we have given the colors to the participant. So whichever color you choose first, second, third,
So each color represents each a respective participant, right?
Right, sir. Right.
Okay, good. Good to know that the logic. So I'll start with white.
Hello.
White first.
White.
I think some audios are on, so there's causing noise disturbance. So white,
Yes,
blue,
Yes, sir.
purple,
Yes, sir.
yellow, and pink.
Yellow and then pink. Okay. So we have the first participant as white. So Asiman would say, I would request Asiman to start your story.
So did not Nitish just say that? I mean, can the story should not be narrating it?
Is it so?
हालांकि I think
Okay.
से impact आएगा if they read it. It may be impactful. If someone else read it, तो हो सकता है वो emotions नहीं है.
Did Charles Dickens? Did Charles Dickens read you the story of
Yeah, even Ruskin Bond. आजकल तो लेकिन book reading को वो होता है ना. To sell books, the authors have to read the books, go into a room and read.
Ketan Mehtas of the world are there
Yeah.
at all the places to narrate their own stories.
I think so. I mean, I think what you should do is if Shobit can read the stories on behalf of everybody, so that we don't know the author, and or because Shobit's pronunciations and all are accurate, he gives good annotations to the words also. I don't know. That's a suggestion, but if I know Asiman is
Bias is behind you, Nitish. I think let them read themselves.
No, I think let the writer speak, because then if there is any extra explanation pertaining to a particular situation, maybe they can do it better than
if they
just
are
the
reading.
reader.
Okay, so Anjali, you keep reading the story in your own on your own screen so that they don't improvise on the fly.
So, like,
I think Nitish, let the writer read it, and Anjali can just keep a watch that there is no distortion from
yes,
the
this I can do.
What is been read and what has been said.
Because I don't trust Asiman. Asiman will be improving right now in his mind.
The writer does not need to present, right? He can simply say.
Yes.
Share his screen. Okay, I'll start. So, Mr. Rampal, the erstwhile school principal, was in the sunset of his life, and only one thing kept him going: letters from his friend Dinobandhu. Every time he received one, he read it, dissecting and savoring every word, and stashed it away in his souvenir box. He then wrote back a reply to each letter. Thus, the correspondence represented their oneness. Ajit, the new English teacher, all of 27 years old, paid him frequent visits. Rampal confided in Arjun about about Ajit about his correspondence with his friends, and told him all about the discussions they carried on about life and death, in the letters, of course. But then time had taken a turn when he had received a stroke, and he could no longer write back to Dinobandhu's letters. So Ajit started writing on Rampal's behalf. For the past 2 months, though, there had been no letters from Rampal. From Dinobandhu. This should be Dinobandhu. Ajit took a ride to Shikarpur, where Dinobandhu lived, and found out that the latter had passed away from a strange illness. But this news would not be given to Rampal, for then he would receive the shock of his life. So Ajit wrote a letter masquerading as Dinobandhu. But the letter reached Rampal only after Ajit had returned. Ajit knew it, and he read it out to Rampal, but he stopped before the last line, because he had not meant to mention about Dinobandhu's death, but he had accidentally written of the death. So this letter could not be given to Rampal to store in his souvenir box. It had to remain a secret letter. Thank you.
Clap, clap, clap.
That was an interesting one. Thank you so much, Asiman. So, second we have Sahil. You may start your story now, Sahil.
Okay, I am just starting. Astik and his mother, Nisi, are reading a letter that is written by their poor neighbor. That poor neighbor is a widow and her 5-year-old boy. They are leading a miserable life and they don't have any good source of funding. The widow works, but her salary is very low. Whenever they are in need, the lady writes a letter to Nisi, and Nisi and his son always help them, but secretly. That's why the letter is called a secret letter. Nisi's husband, Sudhir, is a miser man and he never gives a single penny to anyone. That day, when they read the letter and they forgot to trace it, the letter, in that letter, there are written some groceries items with a prayer to help. Suddenly, Sudhir found that letter and went through it. He came to know what was going on. He called Nisi and began to scream. Astik came there and bolstered his mother. Their oneness works, and Sudhir felt sorry for his behavior. Now a miser turns into a pragmatic person.
Wow.
Okay, that's all.
Outstanding. Nice
Great
performance. Thank
transformation.
you so much. Yeah, thank you, Sahil. So, my third contestant is Yashashvi.
There is the word turn. Turn. That's all.
Turn.
In the last line, sir.
Turns into a pragmatic person.
All right. So we have a third participant as Yashashvi. You may start your story now.
Okay. All right. Am I audible?
Yes.
Great. Okay. So A woke up with a start. What day was it? What time was it? He didn't know. He just knew that he had had a very weird dream, or he hoped it was a dream. He just knew that someone or something had yelled, "Turn, look behind you. It's the apocalypse. Seek out the secret letter. Our salvation is only when we unite in oneness." The secret letter contains the Eric turned. He looked behind him. He wasn't in his room. He wasn't in his bed. It wasn't even his room. How did he get here? He had no idea. He saw a table with a paper on it. Secret letter, he wondered. It's out there in the open. Maybe he was actually losing his head. The secret letter had only had the following written on it. You have been selected with the fate of humanity. Enter one letter into the terminal to your right. It can be in any script. If it doesn't symbolize the unity of humanity, humanity will cease to exist. A looked outside for any help, but there was no outside. There was only blackness outside. Suddenly, he saw the planet Earth and realized that this was all very real. A weapon seemed to be targeted towards Earth, and a timer was ticking away. The last minute of the countdown timer had started. The room suddenly started glowing bright red. Still, unable to comprehend what was happening, he looked at the countdown, looked at the terminal, and then glanced at the keyboard. All possible alphabet symbols from the history of humanity were there. As soon as he saw it, he knew it. He pressed the symbol that had to be the answer, the only symbol that symbolized unity and oneness. Om.
Bravo.
Bravo.
It was a nice story.
Bravo.
Well said. Thank you, Ashman. Thank you so much. Now,
So Anjali,
we
you
have,
got the
Yashasvi.
WhatsApp. Actually, you have the what? Actually,
yes, sir.
you
I
have
have
the
the WhatsApp.
WhatsApp copy.
Yes, sir. I have the WhatsApp
Can
copy.
you can you put it on the email so that everybody can see it as
Yes.
well? Okay. Who's the next participant? Meanwhile, you can do it.
We have Kamal.
Okay.
We have Kamal as the next participant. In the meanwhile, I'll just share it on my mail.
So like there is story of like pagans. Like once upon time there lived a hunter in small villages, and the hunter sets out to catch birds. He lays a net and separate rice all over on it, and short a flock of pagans come by and start eating the rice and get catch in the net. They start to lose hopes. Just then their leaders ask them to fly together up in the sky. They do as told and carry the net with themselves. The hunter runs after them but is not able to catch them. The pigeon fly towards their friend mouse hole, and the mouse on seeing this cuts the net and their pieces into pieces and frees all the pigeons. Moral is basically unity is strength, and anything is achievable if we work unitedly. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Great effort. Wonderful, yeah. Now, last but not the least, we have Shipra. So you may start your story now, Shipra.
Okay, so here is my story. Once there was a farmer who lived in a village with his daughter, Sarah. Sarah was a very lazy girl and never helped her father in daily households. Her father tried to make her understand the importance of healthy lifestyle, but she did not listen. Sarah's mother left them just after giving birth to her daughter, and she gave some letters to the farmer for her daughter as her birthday gift. Sarah missed her mother a lot. Time passed by, and there came Sarah's seventh birthday. Farmer gave Sarah first letter and told her that her mother left these secret letters for her as her birthday gift. Sarah quickly opened the letter and started reading out. Sarah's mother narrated some real life incidents of her life which affected Sarah positively. Her mother asked her to follow a healthy routine and help her father for 1 year. If she does so, then she will get the next secret letter on her next birthday. Sarah's eyes were blooming and she felt enthusiastic to follow her mother's advice. She started doing exactly what her mother told her to do. As years passed by, Sarah read her mother's letter on each birthday and practiced everything that she asked. Her mother encouraged her to find her qualities and passions. She discovered a sense of oneness in herself and that she can sing very well. She started training in singing and music in her village. Eventually, Sarah turned out to be a responsible, kind, and humble girl who not only took care of her own but also her father. She has also become a talented singer after years of hard work and dedication. Today is Sarah's 20th birthday and she received her mother's last letter. In her last letter, she said that now you have grown up as a mature and independent girl. You are ready to fly high in this world. You can create your own path and follow it. Your father has done a tremendous job. Without his support, it wouldn't have been possible. So always be with him and take care of him. Goodbye. Thank you.
Wonderful. Amazing effect. Thank you so much, Shipra. Since we have heard everyone, I would request both the judge to decide the result and share it to Sudha ma'am on her WhatsApp. She will announce the winner for Create Your Own Story, and I would request her to say a few words to our participants.
Anjali, can you send these emails and maybe Yashasvi has sent you a screenshot to me so that
Yeah, here it is, sir.
yeah, please mail them to me.
Yeah.
Anjali, I'd much rather have the judges give their opinion because they are the ones who are judging. So if both the judges can speak, it would be great.
No problem, ma'am.
I'd love both Nitish and Prabhat to share their views. I think it's tremendous
Sir, I've
effort
mailed
across
it
all three. And I don't envy the judges because it's a tough task.
Meeting.
So
Yeah.
Sudha,
So
I will send you my ranking to you by mail so that yeah, and then you can get the ranking from Prabhat, and then you can add them up, and whoever gets the lowest total is the top ranker, right? If there's a tie, let us know.
Okay.
Hello, Anjali ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, Arpit here. Ma'am, I think you missed my story, ma'am. I know, ma'am, it's not a story, but it's just a random thought I put there.
All
Can I
right,
say?
no problem. You can, you can do it right now. No problem at all. Have you mailed it
Okay,
to me?
so
Yeah.
I'm starting.
Yeah,
As
no
I was
problem.
Yeah, as I was turning the pages of my diary today, I found a secret letter which I wrote for myself some years ago. As I went through my word, I was feeling oneness with the ideal self that I wanted to achieve at that moment while writing that letter. That letter today came as an answer to me when I was questioning my worth. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Arpit, for participating.
Thanks, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Nitish, can you and Prabhat WhatsApp me?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, as you say, it is all right. Okay, in the meanwhile, what I can do is here, I would request Asiman to sing a song for us.
Okay.
Yeah. Till the time Nitish decide who is the winner. In the meanwhile, Asiman can sing a song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey. आने वाला पल जाने वाला
गलत के हिसाब से नाम
है,
लिखना है या सीधा नाम लिखना
आने जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है, हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, एक बार यूं मिली मासूम सी कली, एक बार यूं मिली मासूम सी कली, ओ खिलते हुए कहा खुशबास में चली, देखा तो यही है ढूंढा तो नहीं है, पल जो ये जाने वाला है, हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, वहाँ दास्तां मिली, लम्हा कहीं नहीं, थोड़ा सा हंसा के थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल ये भी जाने वाला है, हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Asiman. That was wonderful. Thank you for the surprise. So now we are waiting for the result.
Yashasvi. I am looking
Yes.
for the word turn in your story.
Yes, so it's right on the first page.
Yeah, but
Turn, look behind you, it's the apocalypse. And below that also, away he looked, behind him he turned in the paragraph after that. I know my handwriting may not be the best.
and the oneness is when you said that there was
So actually, all three of the words are in that sentence. Turn, look behind you. It's the apocalypse. Seek out the secret letter. As salvation is only when we unite in oneness. So put all of these here together.
Because I thought you said in the narration you said Om represents oneness.
Yeah, so that was towards the end where
that is not there in the letter in the written part, right?
Yeah, so the last part is he then knew it. He pressed the symbol that had to be the answer. That was Om.
Okay, so there's no oneness there. Okay, thank you.
And in the meanwhile, we can say a few words to our participants. Sudha ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, okay, so the 10,000 rupees check has been locked now.
Oh, wonderful. That's wonderful.
Sponsored by Nitish.
So I haven't got anything from Nitish yet. So I don't know. Nitish?
Sudha, Nitish has just shared.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, the judges have taken a decision. Anjali, I want to check with you. Do I announce just the winner, or the top two, or the top three?
Ma'am, you can do top three.
Top three. Okay,
From,
so
from the third to top.
Yes, as Nitesh sir says. Third to top.
Oh, so I announce number 3 first.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
I mean, the singer should not. We should give preference to the singer.
Okay, so our number 3 winner is Shipra.
Wow.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Number 2 is Yashasvi.
Wow.
Thank you.
And number 1 is Asiman.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So thank you, everybody. Sahil, Kamal, Arpit, all of you did a fantastic job. I think I was blown away to see the kind of talent and to see the kind of grasp of language and the ability to think creatively and weave a story. I was really blown. I think it was fantastic effort, guys, and
So-
I hope you all had fun. It was great for all of us.
Asiman, did you know the words from earlier? You were yesterday sent a mail to Anjali or Anshuman.
No, he didn't.
No.
Anshuman, brilliant, very good, very
Yes.
good.
Yashasvi is from Anshuman's team. No, Yashasvi probably knew the words. That's why he came with the brilliant story.
Yashasvi, I was blown away by your concept. That was really, really good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Do you watch series of Dark? That is how
Yeah.
I could recall. Yeah, even I watched that series. That is why I was like amazed. That was a good one.
Well, thanks, guys.
Okay, and Shipra, good girl story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you all the participants. Thank you Anjali for coordinating this. Thank you Ashutosh for the idea.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to
Thank you Nitish. Thank you Sudha. Guys, this has been an interesting event, and I'm sure we're going to share the recording very soon.
Anshuman and Ashutosh, this was good. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye for all.
Bye. Bye. Bye.